Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start selling on eBay but not sure how? In this beginner friendly 8-minute video, I will walk you through everything from setting up your account to shipping your first item. Let's turn your stuff into cash. First of all, go to ebay.com and sign up for a free account. Just click on register from the left sidebar and choose personal or business account, enter your email and create a password. Once you are in, go to account settings from the dashboard, click on the My eBay section. Now click account tab. In personal information, add phone number, shipping address, bank information for payouts. Click payments and follow the prompts like log in again. Then click skip for now and click add card, then checkout, continue, and you can add PayPal, Venmo, and credit or debit card. In personal information, go to personal information tab from here. Now you can add phone number and personal information like your address. Not sure what to sell? Start with items around your home, like electronics, gently used clothing, collectibles or shows, books, games, or home goods. Use the search bar to check how much similar items sell for. Look for the sold listings. Filter to see real selling prices. Now let's list your item. Click the sell button at the top. Now search for your item name like like search for ceiling fan. Now add a clear title with keywords like example Mike Hartenstein 85 Chicago Bears signed jersey Super Bowl etc. Upload real photo, clean background, multiple angles. Write an honest description, mention any flaws. Choose pricing, fixed price, but buy it now. Auction, good for rare items. Set your quantity, shipping cost or free shipping, and return policy. When your item sells, eBay notifies you. Go to sold items, click print shipping label, choose your carrier USPS, UPS, FedEx. eBay gives you discounted rates. Print your label at home. Pick the item securely and drop it off or schedule a pickup. Always upload the tracking number for seller protection. Once the buyer receives the items, eBay releases your payment usually within 1 to 3 business days. eBay charges 13 to 15% final value fee. Optional upgrade fees, bold title, promoted listing, etc. Your net earnings go straight to your linked bank account. Want to grow as a seller? Always ship fast and pack well. Respond to messages quickly. Offer returns if possible. Use the eBay app to manage sales on the go. Encourage buyers to leave positive feedback. Bonus, consider eBay promotions or store subscriptions once you sell regularly. Just click sell, search by category like books, select one from here, see details, copy the title, download the image, and enter in your website. You can contact with seller, click on contact seller, then again contact seller. Now you can send a message from here. And that's how you start selling on eBay in 2025, whether it's a side hustle or a full-time gig. This platform is a great way to earn extra cash. Like this video, subscribe and comment below what you plan to sell first. Thanks for watching.